So in today's video, we are going to continue the chapter Modul-1 Lektion-3, that is Hast du Geshwister. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is German Academy, and this is a channel where you can learn German easily and with fun. We are doing the Class 6 German, that is Basics of German, and we are taking the reference from the book HALLO DEUTSCH. But if you don't have books, still you can learn with us because this is Basics of German. And in today's video, we're going to continue the chapter Modul-1 Lektion-3, Modul-1 Lesson 3, and the chapter name is Hast du Geshwister, that is, do you have siblings? And in today's video, we are going to start the exercises of this chapter, and we are going to complete the first 3 exercises of this chapter. So let's get started.
So this is the first page of the chapter. Fragt 1, question 1. Was antworten Sie, hörst du? That means, what are they answering? Listen. Antworten 1, answer 1. First, we will tell you in German and then translate in English for your better understanding. In German. Teacher, Stefan, hast du Geshwister? Stefan, ja, ich habe eine Schwester. Teacher, und du? Kid, ich habe einen Bruder. Teacher, und du, Karen, hast du Geshwister? Karen, nein, ich bin Einzelkind. Now we'll translate in English. Teacher, Stefan, do you have siblings? Stefan, yes, I have one sister. Teacher, and you? Kid, I have one brother. Teacher, and you, Karen, do you have siblings? Karen, no, I'm an only child.
So this is the second page of the exercises of this chapter. Frag 2, question 2. So the question 2 is, lies und ergänze dabei. In this question, we have to take the reference from the first question and write the answers. So the answers will be, so right now I'm going to tell you all the answers in German, and then I'm going to translate all the answers in English for your better understanding. So our first question is, Stefan, hast du Geshwister? And the answer for the first question will be, ja, ich habe eine Schwester. Our second question is, und du? And the answer for this question will be, ich habe einen Bruder. So the third question is, und du, Karin? And the answer for the third question will be, nein, ich bin Einzelkind. Martin hat vier Geschwister, 2 Brüder und 2 Schwestern. And then Martin said, ich habe viele Geschwister, 2 Brüder und 2 Schwestern. Frage 2, question 2. So now I'm going to tell you all the answers in English. So our first answer is yes, I have one sister. Our second answer is I have one brother. Our third answer is no, I am an only child. And then Martin has four siblings, two brothers and two sisters. And then Martin said, I have many siblings, two brothers and two sisters. So now let's move on to the third question.
Frag 3, question 3. Reine Bung fragt und antwortet. Question 3 is also reference to the first question. In this, all the conversation is written in a chain. So I'm going to tell you this whole chain firstly in German and then in English. Antwortet 3, answer 3. In German. First, hast du Geshwister? Second, ja, ich habe einen Bruder. Third, und du, hast du Geschwister? Fourth, nein, ich bin Einzelkind. Fifth, und du, hast du Geschwister? Sixth, ja, ich habe eine Schwester. Now I'll translate all the answers in English. First, do you have siblings? Second, yes, I have one brother. Third, and you, do you have siblings? Fourth, no, I am an only child. Fifth, and you, do you have siblings? Sixth, yes, I have a sister.
Bonus time! Common plants in Germany. The cornflower, the national flower of Germany, grows wild in the country. Chamomile and green spire are also common to the country. Common trees include the silver birch and the Norway spruce.
Thank you. That's all for today. We hope you are understanding everything. If not, then comment your doubts. Don't forget to like and share our videos, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post our videos. This is German Academy. Bis später. See you later. Bye.
Danke!